Everything you see right now is a lie, not a metaphor, not philosophy, a literal biological lie. Your brain is editing reality in real time, color correcting it, stabilizing it, filling in the gaps, like a Hollywood studio with unlimited budget and absolutely no ethics. And you're the only audience watching the movie. Let's start simple. Your eye is not a camera. It's a wet and upside-down sensor that captures broken light and throws it at your brain like a confused dog bringing you garbage. The image hitting your retina, upside down, full of noise. And, this is the best part, it has a massive hole in the middle, a blind spot. You are literally missing part of reality right now. But your brain doesn't panic. It just says, hey, I'll fix it. And it does. It fills in the gap with what it thinks should be there, not what's actually there, what makes sense. So you're not seeing reality, you're seeing a best geese. And it gets worse. You're not even seeing the present. You're living about 0.1 seconds in the past. Your brain is constantly predicting what's about to happen and showing you that instead. When you catch a ball, you're not reacting. You're guessing and hoping you're right. Now let's talk about color, because this part is wild. There is no red in the universe. None. There's only light with different wavelengths. Your brain looked at approximately 700 nanometers and said, yeah, that's red. Let's make it feel emotional too. Warm, dangerous, romantic, completely made up. So what is reality? If your brain is guessing, editing, predicting, what's actually real? Here's the uncomfortable answer. Reality is a hallucination. Just one we all agreed on. We have a social contract. This is red. This is a table. This is sad. We teach it. We repeat it. We believe it until someone breaks it. Remember that dress in 2015? Some people saw blue and black. Others saw white and gold. Same image, same light, completely different realities. And people nearly lost their minds over it because for a moment, they realized reality isn't fixed. Scientists call this predictive processing. Your brain builds a model of the world and only updates it when the error gets too big to ignore, which means, most of the time, you are hallucinating, and your brain only checks reality every now and then. Like, yep, still not walking into a wall, we're good. But here's the beautiful part. If reality is constructed, that means it can be changed. You can't change the photons, but you can change how your brain interprets them. Meditation, trauma, love, psychedelics, all of these rewrite your model. They change what feels real. Your brain isn't a camera, it's a canvas. And you've been painting on it your entire life without realizing you're holding the brush. So next time someone tells you, come back to reality, tell them, you literally can't. There is no raw reality, only perception, only interpretation, only your brain's best guess. You are not living in the world. You are living in a story your brain is telling you about the world. And by the way, you just blinked. Your brain edited that out. You didn't even notice. And now you're wondering what else you missed. If you enjoyed this explanation, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss anything interesting in the next videos.